everybody, it's Reina with Double TI, and I'm so happy to introduce you to this hair care set. It's the REDKEN Frizz Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner Set. In my case, I have to wash and condition twice a week, and my hair dries smooth. I love this set, have been lifesaver for me. I have thin, frizzy, wavy hair and have to struggle with that all of my life. I'm using this product for a long time and notice a real change in my hair because it's contour free, adds a lot of shine to my hair, and now I can wear my natural hair as always I wanted without having to use as many heat tools. Also, when I comb my hair, it doesn't split because it's soft and hydrated. The set maintain my hair beautiful, and the truth is that my hair is way too bare after using it. Having a lot of frizz in my hair used to make me feel insecure, but now I even have more confidence in myself. Plus, the smell is delicious. Wherever I go, not only does my hair look good, but it also smells wonderful. I highly recommend this set. I love it. And that's my point of view.